Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with the MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. And we just got in this newly arrived 2022 XT23 Mastercraft. I'm going to take you on this nice video walkthrough of this boat. As you can see, I'm sitting here in the bow of the boat. We went with the black cool fill interior with the desert tan accents with black thread to set that off. Turned out really nice. This is the traditional V-bow boat. Turning around here, walking back through the center of the boat. Over here in the captain's chair area, we got the 7-inch touchscreen. This is equipped with the new SurfStar system and the new integrated wave surf system. Coming back around here, we have storage under this long bench seat here. Storage all underneath the helm over here. Built-in cooler here and a flip-up backrest here. This is a reversible couch seat. It's got the Z8 tower, easy fold down, easy fold up with two 8.0 Klipsch speakers on it and the wakeboard clamping swivel racks. This boat's great because it does have the walkthrough. You can step here, step right on through, right on back down the transom here to the cool rear flip seats. This seat here, pocket seat, and then it flips down in the back, and then you can have a nice sun pad all the way across the back of the boat. And I'm going to flip down here and show you the rest of the outside features of this boat. Coming on down. All right, swim deck. Here's the outside of the boat. On the trailer, there's the Z8 tower BTS windshield that matches the tower inlay. Sitting on the trailer. Beautiful boat. Come out to MarineMax in Greenville and check out this 2022 XT23. I should mention this boat's equipped with a 6-liter Ilmor motor, 380 horsepower, SurfStar system. Great boat. Huge surf wake behind this new XT lineup. Great wakeboard boat, but a great cruising boat too, with the nice deep V in the front, traditional bow. Just an awesome all-around boat for you and 16 people. So you can come and also you can check it out at MarineMax Greenville.com or give us a call. That's 864-936-9005. Thank you.